Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn a partial derivative. If today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook at Shabest Online Tutorial. So our topic of today's tutorial is partial derivative. We are going to use the same method we use in ordinary derivative to find partial derivative. But the only difference here is the function in partial derivative depends on more than one variable. Now look at this function. We have t into s comma y is equals to this function. And if you look at t here, depend on s and y variable. As to find t subscript s, and number 2 is t subscript y. So solution. So the first one, we are asked to find t subscript s. And this t subscript s can also be written as delta t with respect to delta s. In ordinary derivative, we used to write dt over ds. But in partial derivative, it's not going to be dt over ds. It's going to be delta t with respect to delta s. So what this means, what this delta t with respect to the s means, we are going to differentiate this function of t with respect to s, then keep y constant. So let us differentiate. We are going to use power rule to differentiate. Power rule, we say that if you have s to the power of n, so the derivative of this function with respect to s will be this n will multiply by s, you have ns. Then you take away 1 from the power, which is n to the power of 1. This is our how to use power rule to find a derivative. So we are going to apply this rule to this differentiation. So differentiating s, keeping y as constant. So from the first function, you have s cubed and y. So what we do, we are going to differentiate this s and keep y constant. So 3 multiplied by s, you have 3s. Then you take away 1 from the 3. 3 minus 1, it will give me 2. Then you keep y as constant. Then plus, we have another s here. And s is raised to the power of 2. Then 2 multiplied by 3, it will give me 6s. Then you take away 1 from the power, which is 2. It will become 1. Then you keep y as constant. Then plus, have another s here. And s is raised to the power of 1. So 1 multiplied by 1s, it will give me s. Then 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So in this place now, s is raised to the power of 0. And recall, any number raised to the power of 0 according to law of these indices is equal to 1. Therefore, this derivative of s here is 1. 1 multiplied by our constant, which is y squared, it will be y squared. So this is t subscript s of this function. We differentiate s and keep y constant. So and the second question say t subscript y. We have number 2 question which say t subscript y, which is the same as delta t with respect to delta y, which is equal to, what it means is that we are going to differentiate y and keep s as constant. So number first, we have y here and we have s cube. So this s cube is constant, s cube, and this y, 1 multiplied by 1 s cube, it will be s cube. Then take away 1 from y, it will be 0, and any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So in this place, we have only s cube. Then plus, we have another y here. 1 multiplied by 3s squared, it will give me 3s squared. Then we have power of 1 here. Take away 1 from the power according to our power rule, it will be 0. And any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 3s squared here. Then plus, we have s here and y. The 2 multiplied by the whole of this, we have, it will give me 2sy. Then you take away 1 from 2, it will be 1. So this is the final answer. This is how to find a derivative of s and y in this partial derivative. So in the first one, t subscript s, we differentiate s, we keep y as constant. And the second question says t subscript 3 y, we differentiate y and keep s constant. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok at Shabest Online Tutorial. Thanks.